Good morning, all. Yesterday, we have discussed down filtering of long data sequence. There are basically two types. One is overlap save method and another one is overlap add method. We have discussed about block diagram of overlap save method and we have solved an example related to that overlap save method. Also, we have discussed a block diagram of overlap add method. And today we are going to discuss on the example related to this overlap add method. So note down the example. Please note down the example. A long sequence x of n. Note down the example. Hope my screen is visible. Is my screen is visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please
Yes,
note
sir.
down the question. A long sequence x
Yes,
of
sir.
n. A long sequence x of n is filtered through a filter of impulse response. A long sequence x of n is filtered through a filter of impulse response h of n impulse response h of n to give output y of n full stop, to give output y of n given x of n and h of n as follows. Given x of n and h of n as follows. Compute y of n using first you write overlap add method. Compute y of n using overlap add method. And second using overlap save method. Using overlap add method and overlap save method. This is add method and overlap save method. With both the method we will solve this example. And use only 5-point circular convolution. Use only 5-point circular convolution. Here the sequence given is x of n is 1 1 1 1 1 3 1 1 4 2 1 1 3 1 1 1 and h of n is 1 comma minus 1. Let me repeat the input sequence. 5 times 1 1 1 1 1 1 3 1 1 4 2 1 1 3 1 1 1. A solution to this. What is the length of the sequence? First sequence. Can anyone tell me here? How many samples are present in input sequence? How many samples are present?
16.
16. Okay. Then let me write the value of m is how much?
2.
It is 2. So we can write n is equals to ls plus m minus 1. It will be equals to, what is the value we will get? 16 plus 2 Ganesh,
ఇట్లా అగైన్ సార్ కొను
Sir, it is not my voice.
your voice is not there. तो कौन है? कृष्णा है क्या? Please make
Dinesh
sure
Mukul.
that your mics are unmute. तो मुझे पूरा चेक करते बैठना पड़ेगा, अभी वही काम करना पड़ेगा. So what is the answer here?
17.
17. Okay, so this will be equals to 17. तो अभी हमें आंसर में क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है? What answer we are expecting is we require the output should be of a 17 samples. Okay, तो overlap add method में हमने क्या किया है अभी? So first to form the block, क्या प्रोसेस है वहां पे? In overlap add, what the difference I said you? x1 of n is equals to, कोई बताएंगे मुझे? Where we are adding the zeros?
At the end of sequence.
At the end
End
of
of sequence, sir.
How many zeros we are adding? We are adding m minus 1 zeros at the end of the sequence,
Yes, sir.
right? So अभी यहाँ पे m
One.
minus 1 zeros, how many zeros are there? What is value
One.
of m? तो m का
Two.
value 2 है आपका, right? We have m equals to 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So at the end of the each block we need to add 1 0. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ यहाँ पे? I will take these 4 samples like 1 1 1 1 and 0. Right? This is my first block formation. Next x2 of n, क्या लिखेंगे हम? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? Remaining L samples I need to take from the given sequence. That is again
1
1
0.
1 1 3 1 1 0. Hope everyone is getting this point. x3 of n is equals to, क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? What is x3 of n?
4 2 1 1 0.
4 2 1 1 0. x4 of n?
3 1 1 1 0.
3 1 1 1 0. राइट? अभी x4 of 5 का जरूरत है क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं है, because no samples are
No.
present in the input sequence. So how do we calculate y of n? y of n कैसे calculate कर सकते हैं हम? xi of n will be convoluted with, that is a 5-point circular convolution with h of n. So first, if I want to calculate the value of y1 of n, so I will write it as x1 of n with 5-point circular convolution h of n. Okay, now let us, hope everyone has understood the block formation.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
Now let us move to calculate the value of y1 of n. So how do we calculate? Who will tell me? How do we calculate y1 of n? y1 of n is equals to, I need to write x1 of n with 5-point circular convolution h of n. So I suggested you to write a matrix for, तो अभी यहाँ पे h of n का वैल्यू क्या होगा? What will be the h of n sequence? Anybody?
1 minus 1 0 0 0.
0 0 0, because we need to make a length of the sequences equal. So matrix लिखो अभी 1 minus 1 0 0 0, and this is 0 1 minus 1 0 0, then again 0 0 1 minus 1 0, then this is 0 0 0. Okay, this is minus 1 sorry, it's +1 and -1, and lastly it is -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is multiplied with the function x1 of n. So it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. तो अभी आंसर बताओ मुझे इसका. What is its answer?
1 0 0 0 -1.
Which is 1, 0, 0,
0
0, -1 आ रहा है क्या?
4. हाँ.
Okay. How many of you got this answer? कितने लोगों को आंसर मिला ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculate for the second value. Calculate for the second value y2 of n. This here I am writing y1 of n is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, -1. Calculate for y2 of n, which will be equals to y2 of n is x2. So here the x2 will be 1, 3, 1, 1, 0. Tell me the answer.
-1 2 -2 0 -1.
1, 2, -2, 0, -1. Okay. 1, 2, -2, 0, -1. Whose answer is this? किसका आंसर है ये?
Me, sir.
नाम बताएंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा. I am just
Ganesh.
Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh Kaude. Anybody else has got this answer?
Yes, sir.
कौन है ये अभी?
Vaishnavi Deshmukh.
Vaishnavi. Okay. Who else has got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1, 2, -2, 0, -1. किसी को दूसरा आंसर आ रहा है क्या? Is anybody has got the different answer?
No, sir.
Okay. You please calculate for the next part. Do for third one. I'm expecting the answers from the all, and everyone has to solve it. So simply like one or two students, if they are solving, and others are just simply sitting idle, so it doesn't good look also. Y3 of n you just calculate. If anybody has any questions, you can ask me here. Any doubt, if you are having in your mind, you can ask me. 4, 2, 1, 1, 0.
Four minus two minus one.
0 minus 1.
is 4 minus 2
-1,
minus 1,
0 minus 1.
0 minus 1. Okay. So others, please check the answer whether it is right or wrong. Y3 of n is equals to. Is everyone has got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 1. Okay. Last we will calculate for y4 of n. Y4 of n we will calculate. So y4 of n input sequence is 3 1 1 1 0
3 minus 2, 0.
is 3 minus 2 0
0, 0, minus 1.
0 0 minus 1. Okay. So the answer we got here is y4 of n equals to 3 minus 2 0 0 minus 1. Sorry. Hope everyone has got this answer.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे किसी को कोई डाउट है? Anybody has question or anybody has doubt here in this part to get the answers? Y1 of n, Y2 of n, Y3 of n, Y4 of n. Now let's write down the final output. That is very important thing. So at the end you just write down all these equations, output equations, y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n, and y4 of n. So finally we will write the output y of n as, we will write the output y of n as y of n is equals to y of n is equals to. So here, as the name it is indicating as a overlap add method. So what we need to do? How many zeros were added here?
1, 0, sir.
1 0 were added in this equation. Please listen carefully here. So I need to write these 4 samples as it is, right? This 1 0 0 0. As the name it is indicating as the overlap add method. So I am adding this last sample of the first equation with the first sample of the first equation. That is, I am just adding here, right? So what I need to write here? -1 plus
0.
1. So 0 आ गया यहाँ पे, right? So then again I need to write these 3 samples as it is. How many samples I need to write as it is? यानी 4 सैंपल थे, 4 में से एक पहला ऐड किया हमने, तो 3 samples I need to write as it is. So it is 2 minus 2 0. Okay, then again this last sample will be added with this first sample. So -1 plus 4 is there. -1 plus 4, how much it is? It is going to be 3 again. Okay, then again write down these 3 samples as it is. So I am writing these 3 samples as it is. -2 minus 1 0. Then again this -1 will be added with this 3. So -1 plus 3, what you will get is 2. Then again write down these remaining values as it is. This is 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 1. So what are the, how many samples are there now? You just count the samples.
17.
Total samples we got it as a 17. तो कितने आंसर, कितने सैंपल्स एक्सपेक्टेड था हमें आउटपुट में?
17 sir.
17 samples are expected. So this is what our output. Understood? Any confusion here?
No, sir.
You just verify this answer with the tabular method. Let's see how many of, let's see whether the answer which we got, whether it is right or wrong. उसको चेक करने के लिए एक मिनट हम अगर एक्स्ट्रा लिए या 2 मिनट वेस्ट किए यहाँ पे, तो डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस, सो दैट यू विल बी confident, so that you will not lose your marks, because these questions may ask for like 6 marks and all again. So 3 1 1, or else if it is asked for again what we can say, MCQ also, so in that case you can solve it with the tabular method. 3, चलो करो इसको एक बार चेक करो. Let's see how many of you will do it. Check the answer with this tabular method and tell me whether it is right or wrong. Yes, have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Is it same?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Okay, so this is the way how we can solve the examples related to the overlap add method. Now we will take up the same example with overlap save method. Any question here for this part?
No, sir.
Can I proceed to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us solve the same example with overlap save method. Let us solve the same example with overlap save method. So this I will write it as a input sequence. तो इसको हम input sequence बोल के ले लेते हैं अभी. And then h of n I need to write there. तो अभी आप लोगों को मुझे बताना है कि कैसा how I need to write the equations and how I need to proceed further, so that I can understand like how many of you understood correctly or not. You please note down once again x of n and h of n, so that we will form the blocks here. So this is our x of n. And h of n will be equals to what it is, 1 minus 1. Okay. So now using overlap save method, we are solving the example. This overlap save method, we are solving the example. Okay, so let us write down the first block. X1 of n is equals to. Now who will tell me how to form this block using overlap save method?
First add 1 0 and write 4 numbers.
First we are adding m minus 1 zeros, right? That is, as m value is 2, so we are writing 1 0 here, comma. Then remaining 4 samples, I need to take it from this, right? 1 1 1 1. Barabar. Then x2 of n, how do we form this? X2 of n. Yes, who will tell me how x2 of n is formed? Hello, am I
Last
audible?
number 1,
Huh?
last digit 1.
this last number of the first sequence will be the first one here, right?
And next
And
4.
followed by the next new sample.
Sample.
That is 1, 3, 1, 1. Barabar? Then x3 of n will be equals to this number will be here again as the first sample. Then again followed by 4, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Then x4 of n is equals to this one will be again as the first number 1. Then again 3, 1, 1, 1. Is it over or should I proceed further again?
Over, sir.
Anybody else answer? Anybody else? Is block formation is over or should I proceed further? हेलो, कोई दूसरे बताएंगे मुझे? Hope I am audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
sir.
हाँ, तो फिर आंसर बताओ मुझे यहाँ पे कि ब्लॉक फॉर्मेशन खत्म हुआ या अभी करना है हमें? करना है तो बोलो, खत्म हुआ तो बोलो, कुछ तो बोल सकते हैं ना?
Over, sir.
और
Over, sir.
or okay, so that means still you people are having the confusion.
No,
Right?
sir. We have to last
Sir,
zero.
हा,
0 येईपर्यंत करा.
0 येण्यापर्यंत करायचं आपल्याला. मग अजून इथं मी 1 हा 1 इथं घेऊ शकतो आम्ही. Right.
0.
Then further we have to add the zeros. So don't do this mistake because intentionally I have taken this example कि ऐसा अगर आने के बाद when our samples in the given inputs are getting over, then we need to form the next block by taking the last sample as the first sample of the next equation and complete the length by using the remaining zeros or complete the length by adding the 0. Understood? Have you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Still anybody has doubt here? Still anybody has doubt? So now let us calculate value of y1 of 1. Just do it, y1 of 1, just calculate it, calculate and tell me the answers now. Rest all procedure is same. While block forming, we have to be very careful for overlap add method and overlap save method. Just tell me the answer and we just calculate the answers and tell me. Still, if anybody has any question, please ask. Yes, anybody has got the answer? Okay, so here again, y1 of n we can calculate by using circular convolution method. So y1 of n equals to, let me write it as, x1 of n, which is circularly convoluted with h of n. Okay, so here I'm just writing the matrix for this. One minus one. Patil,
Yes, sir.
have you understood or still you are having the doubt? This is just the way how we have solved previous examples using matrix method, circular convolution.
Okay, sir.
0 minus 1. सॉल्व करके दिखाऊं. 0 1 minus 1 0 0.
No,
Okay,
sir. Understood.
understood ना? Okay,
हाँ, solve करते.
okay. 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1 minus 1 then minus 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is just the matrix we are writing for h of n, and we are taking the multiplier here as 0 1 1 1 1. Yes, what is the answer? Answer
minus 1 1
is minus 1.
1
Huh.
0 0 0
0 0 0. Okay. Is everyone has got this answer? Or is there any change? How many of you have got this answer? How many of you have got this answer? दूसरे लोग बता सकते क्या मुझे?
Yes, sir.
सेम आंसर आ रहा?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Okay, let's write the first y1 of n here and calculate for remaining values. This is y1 of n is equals to minus 1 1 minus 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, just calculate y2 of n. Tell me the answer.
zero 3 minus 2 minus 1 0
0 3
minus 2 minus 1 0
minus 2 minus 1 0. Okay, others please check the answers. If you are getting the different answer, let me know that. Simply don't copy the answers, you just do it by yourself and verify the answers. अगर कहीं पे चेंज आ रहा है तो यू जस्ट टेल मी. Is this second answer correct? सेकेंड आंसर सही है क्या, एक बार चेक करो. Yes, anybody has got the answer? अगर दूसरा भी आंसर आ रहा है तो बता दो. We will check it whether it is right or wrong. Don't worry.
0 2 minus 2 0 0.
Which one? Third one
हाँ,
or second one?
third.
0 2
minus 2 0 0.
Oh, I think something is getting wrong. What about second answer?
सेकंड डिफरंट आहे सर.
हाँ,
हाँ, sir.
काय आहे तो डिफरन्स सांगा मला.
0 0 2 minus 2 0 येते. येस सर.
0 0
2 minus 2 0.
okay. The second one is 0 0 हाँ
2
0 plus 2 ना.
हाँ
हाँ
minus 2 0.
this is correct now. What about third one? This is plus 2 minus 2 0. This is correct. What about third one? थर्ड का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? प्लीज अदर्स चेक दैट. wherever you are getting the wrong answer, you just check it. Just multiplication और addition में होता है. You just take care of signs also. Third answer.
Zero 3.
Third one ना.
हाँ,
This is 0 3.
minus 2 minus 1 0.
This is 0 3. हाँ 0 3 के बाद
minus 2 minus 1 0.
1 0 बराबर है. How many of you got this answer?
Yes sir.
Okay. Rishikesh, you please check your answer. I think something you are getting wrong.
हाँ, yes sir.
Y4 of n. And lastly, you need to calculate Y5 of n. What is Y4 of n?
0 2 minus 2 0 0.
Y4 of n is 0 2
0 2 minus 2 0 0.
0 2 minus 2 0 0 0 2 minus 2 0 0 बराबर है.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Last one.
One minus 1.
Last one is 1 minus 1
0 0 0.
0 0 0. ठीक है. So these are all the answers we got. Hope everyone has got this answer. Barabar?
Yes.
Anybody has doubt here? Now let's
No, sir.
write the final output y of n. You will tell me how should I write the final output y of n? how should I write the final answer output y of n for this overlap save method? Yes,
Removing first number.
removing first number, discarding the m-1 value. हम जितना जीरो ऐड किए थे यहाँ पे उतना जीरो हमें रिमूव करना है. That much value we need to discard, right? So let me discard this all first numbers. This is I'm just discarding. So how do I write the answer? I'll write the answer as 1 0 0 0. Okay, then again 0 2 minus 2 0, then again 3 minus 3 minus 1 and 0, and lastly I will write 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 1. So no need to write the further zero values. So samples कितने हो गए अभी टोटल यहाँ पे? Is it same as our previous answer?
Yes, sir. 17.
It is 17 and this is same as our previous answer. तो यहाँ पे ये 3 जीरो लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, right? Because these are not considered into the equation, क्योंकि हमने वहाँ पे already extra zeros ऐड किए थे initially, तो उसके लिए वो discard हो जाते हैं, right? So the total value or the answer which we are getting for this particular answer is, for this particular question is the sample which are present as 17, which is same as our previous answer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you just solve the example either by using overlap add method or overlap save method. You will get the same answer, but the procedure is different. You need to follow the different procedure for the different method. Okay, so this is about the examples of overlap add and overlap save method. You just take 1 or 2 examples for your practice purpose and you just try it. So let us note down the examples and you just solve both the examples with both the methods. You just solve the examples with both the methods so that you can understand. So let us write first one. X of n is equals to it is 1 4 3 0 7 4 minus 7 minus 7 minus 1 3 4 3 with the input sequence h of n is equals to 1, 2. Just solve this example with both the methods. And the next one is x of n is equals to 1 2 3. X of n equals to 1 2 3 3 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 5 6 minus 1 2 0 2 1. The value of h of n is 3 2 1 1, and here he has asked you to solve for the 7-point value. This is to be solved with the 7-point value. The block should be of the length 7.
Sir, first one.
First one you can take any value. It is not mentioned. You can take 5, 7, whatever you wish you want, you can take it. जहां पे दिया हुआ है तो उसको आपको पर्टिकुलर वो वैल्यू लेके करना है, जो नहीं दिया है you have a choice for that. Okay, so this is all about your third chapter. This completes your third chapter. Only like important topics in this, or the main syllabus for third chapter is to understand how DFT can be used as linear filtering and how this filtering is performed with the different methods as overlap save method and overlap add method. Okay, so let us take the attendance.